everyone, it's Corey, and I'm here with an unboxing and unbagging. Well, actually 2 unboxings, 1 unbagging. So let's get started with the unbagging. Hi. I went to my local stockist for Charlie Bears, and you guys are probably going to be seeing a lot of Charlie Bear videos because a lot of the time when I'm looking for Charlie Bear videos on YouTube, I never find them, or I seldom find them, and they're usually the videos that are posted from QVC or like other Charlie Bear sellers, but a lot of times they don't have the specific ones that I buy or the specific ones that I am looking for. So here we go. This little girl or guy is Rumples. Yeah, hi. I got this little one at my nearest stockist, which is the person who, or the shop that carries Charlie Bears near me, and there's really only one in this state. I feel like one that actually has a good amount. The other one is a zoo, an actual zoo, so a zoo sells Charlie Bears. But yeah, this is Rumples, and I actually went in yesterday and purchased the lion Savannah and her dad Linus, but they both had imperfections, and I decided to return them and just pick up this little one. I had definitely spent less money on just this one, but I mean, look at this baby. So the face is mohair, and the rest, these curls are plush, but they do look like mohair. He's got the tickly toes and very fuzzy and actually soft, considering a lot of Charlie Bears aren't very soft, I would say. Not that they're not soft, but I don't know, some of the plush that is used is not as, I guess, fluffy as this. This is really fluffy, and right here it kind of looks brushed out, but on the rest of the body it kind of looks like little, dreads, I guess, that face. Right, this bear is named Rumples, and there's only 3,000. It's a Plumo bear, one of 3,000, and his name is Rumples. And yeah, this little one was born on 6/11/2018. Oh, sweet. And I love these little, I love this bear, so sweet. Actually, when I went to pick up my first bear in that shop, I fell in love with this one. I was like, oh no, this bear is, you know, like something I would get later in my collection when I'm comfortable spending the money on it. And I went back at least 4 times since then and never purchased Rumples, and my husband told me yesterday, you gotta get Rumples, and I didn't listen. And I got home and the lions had imperfections, and that's when I was just like, this is the earth telling me to get Rumples, so I did. And Rumples is pretty big, 21 inches from foot to the tip of the head. Very sweet, but very big bear. Alright, and I'm going to be unboxing a couple. So this is the smaller box. Let's go with smaller first. I got this bear on QVC again on the 5 easy payments. It's so funny, I go into a shop for certain bears and I always end up with bears that I didn't think I would want or that I would get. And now I have my eye on 2 of them that I didn't think that I would want, and now I do want them. Go figure. We'll see how it goes. Anywho, show you the bear. This bear is bigger than I thought it was. Okay, there's a return slip. What's in here? Ooh, okay, so we've got another recipe, and it's the lime pickle chutney, and I've got this one already, so I wonder if someone wants it. So I'm trying to collect the 6 of them. This is like a little thing to join the Charlie Bear Club, and every year they put out a bear that only the Best Friends Club can buy. And then this is their how to care, like care instructions. Really sweet. I believe this is McKinley on here. Very cute. Very, very cute. And they haven't updated the picture with this year's bear, so I guess they'll update the picture next year. Really sweet. All right, so let's do this thingy. I'm gonna do. Oh my god, it says peekaboo, it's very nice to meet you. How cute is that? Oh my god. I'm opening her to you guys first. I'm not gonna open her. Oh my goodness. Look at the jingle. The sound of that jingle. Oh my goodness. So this is, oh my god, I can't. This is Charlie Bear, Eloise. Oh my god, this is so soft. She has like a cute little mane. I think that's adorable. Anyways, Charlie Bear Eloise was made to look like original mohair bear. And I'm so pumped to have her in my collection. Oh my god, what a sweet pea. So soft, so sweet. Here we go. She has like curved legs, so she's gonna look so cute on the edge of a shelf. Look at this, just look at this face. And she doesn't have a bell on the outside. She has a bell on the inside, so in here, you can barely feel it. Oh my god, she is absolutely precious and just looks so nice and so vintage. She's really sweet. Oh, it's absolutely adorable. She's a little, I think she's a little smaller than I expected, but it could be the shock from Rumples to her. Yes, she actually does not have any mohair. She's just inspired by the look of a mohair bear. Oh my gosh, look at that face. Look at her. She's just like, hi. Hello. Oh my goodness. Let me like fluff her up a little. She's so sweet. Alright, let me get on with the box opening so I can play with them.